In this video, we are going to see how to make flavorful chocolate muffins with a moist and tender crumb and a nice crisp dome. Don't be fooled by their rebellious appearance. These muffins are a dainty soul and won't last longer on your kitchen. But before going on, I just wanted to tell you that this video is also available in ASMR format. Just click on the card above if you want to see it, or wait until the end of this video. Let's start sifting into a bowl 260 grams of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And if you want, also add a pinch of salt. I didn't add it because of the baking soda. Into a separate bowl, sift 60 grams of cocoa powder. Pour 185 milliliters of hot milk, which helps to melt the cocoa powder and boost its flavor. Give it a good whisk. Then add 200 grams of brown sugar, 125 milliliters of vegetable oil, 1 large egg, and 200 grams of buttermilk. You can replace buttermilk with sour cream or thick plain yogurt. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk until well incorporated. Put the mixture into the flour and stir until smooth. Now add 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chunks or chips. As you well know, there are several types of dark chocolate bars. A higher percentage of cocoa solids like 70% or 80% is usually healthier, but as they tend to absorb more moisture, they can make the crumb heavier and thicker. If you like dark bitter chocolate, you can still add it, but I wouldn't add more than 100 grams. If instead you want a sweeter and softer bite, you can add 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chunks or chips with a percentage of cocoa solids around 50%. Now give it a quick whisk until just incorporated and start filling your muffin liners, leaving at least 5 mm from the rim. Now top the muffins with your favorite chocolate chunks or chips. Bake in preheated conventional oven at 190 degrees Celsius for about 20-25 minutes. Check the muffins after 15 minutes, and if a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean with no streaks of raw butter, then your muffins are ready. Gently place them on a wire rack and let them cool for at least 15-20 minutes before making them disappear. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.